In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block an IP address from your website hosted on HostGator. This is a simple way to manage unwanted traffic and keep your site safe from potential threats. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to HostGator.com. At the top right corner, click Sign In and enter your username and password to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on your HostGator dashboard. This is the control center where you'll manage your hosting and security settings. From the dashboard, look for the option labeled Websites and click on it. This will bring up hosting and management tools for your site. Now, click on Settings. From the drop-down, choose Security. This section contains the tools we need to block an IP. Inside the security page, click IP Blocker. This tool lets you control which IP addresses can or can't access your website. In the IP Blocker, type the IP address you want to restrict. Once entered, click Add. HostGator will immediately block that IP from reaching your site. That's it. You've blocked an IP address from accessing your site. For ongoing protection, check this list from time to time and update it as needed. And that's how you block an IP address on HostGator. This quick step keeps your site secure and filters out unwanted visitors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials.